If you want to download new apps on Realme 14T, you can use the Play Store app that you can find pre-installed on your phone. If not in the home screen, then you can definitely find it in the app drawer somewhere. Once you open the Play Store, you should be able to find some example apps over here. Of course, we can switch between games and apps here. And we can also go to categories in order to search for something based on a category. However, if you know the name of the app that you are looking for, then you can just simply use search as well. So if you go to search over here, then you can tap on the search field at the top, and then you can look for the app that you wish to install. So let's say I'm gonna write Instagram. There we go. Then we have some example search results. We can tap on our app that we want to install and press the install button. After a short while, you should be able to open the app from here. You can also just go to the home screen or app drawer in order to try to find the app. It will definitely be in the app drawer once it is installed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.